Hey there, Aptos team. People on chain call me Blockchain Oracle. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, a final year computer science student in Lagos State University. This is my showcase for the Vietnam Aptos Hackathon. So let's go, man. I built AptoTip for this hackathon, and you might ask the question, what is AptoTip? What problem does it solve? And the judges might also ask, how does this integrate the Apto tool? I'm a big advocate on social finance, social media finance, because I think people use social media every day and people spend money on their day-to-day activities. So the ability for you to combine social media and finance is actually a thing. I bring to you AptoTip, helping creators, restaurants take payments for their services worldwide. I simply call it tip anyone with just a Google account. That's how easy it is to send cryptocurrencies now using Apto tools. If you're a creator and you're a restaurant and you want to take fees for your services, head up to aptotip.vassel.app. You can create a QR code, you can share to your favorite fans, you can share to your customers, and receiving payments on blockchain. In this demo, I'm going to be walking you through creating restaurant profile, creating a creator profile, and also performing transactions on chain while tipping with your Google account. So what are the requirements for this? You just need your Google account. That's how easy it is on AptoTip. I do want you to know that this is currently running on DevNet. On the GitHub repo, I've attached detailed guide on how to toggle between DevNet, mainnet, and also testnet. I want you to know that we'll be interacting with the Moot smart contracts just with your Google account. First part of the demo, exploring restaurants or exploring creators or showcase. If you are looking for your favorite restaurants, you can just come here and check for them, search for them based on categories, anything interesting you like. The more interesting stuff about this is, like I said, you can generate QR code for this. One interesting stuff I do want to tell you about is user can get their receipt in NFTs. Once you pay for your services or once you tip your favorite creators or restaurant, you can get your receipt in NFTs. Isn't that cool? Immediately you create your profile on AptoTip, you get generated a QR code. You can decide if you want to share the QR code with your customers with a default USD amount. And yeah, if you notice the QR code generation changed based on this amount, and come play around with AptoTip, let me know what you think. And amazing features as you also chip into. You're in Green Life Cafe or you like the cafe a lot and you want to like thank them for their awesome services, or you want to pay for your services as well, you can just come to tip. And the more awesome stuff about this is I actually integrated Google Map just for you to confirm the location. Okay, I've been to Green Life Cafe before. I think it's in this location. Yeah, that helps you. You can confirm if you're in the right location for your restaurant. Second part of the video is interacting with our smart contract and making payments. I think $5 is a decent amount. And let's say if you haven't signed in with your Google account, this wouldn't show tip. It'll tell you to sign in your Google account and do some authentication. I mean, that's the only requirements you need for this. Send money and confirm transaction. This trying to interact with our smart contract, update some state storage and all of the stuff. So it might take a little while. Of course, our transaction is successful. Let's confirm on chain with the transaction hash. Since this is running on DevNet, it will take us to the Explorer link, which is Explore Aptos. As you can see, our transaction is successful. We send this amount of APT, and let's go back to AptoTip and view restaurant profile. Okay, tip count is actually 1 and total tip is $0.49. This same process work when you want to reward your favorite creator. You can just send tip and you try to sign the transactions with your Google account. Yeah, that's all it takes. The third part of the demo is walking into creating a restaurant profile or a creator profile. So let's create a restaurant profile. Let's call it the Aptos Showcase Restaurant. You need to upload a profile image, a bio, and a restaurant name. Those are mandatory. Next is location and contacts. You get to select categories: pizza, Italian, sushi, vegan, cafe, BBQ, cheese, anything you find interesting. You can review your information and finally create a restaurant profile. This tries to interact with a smart contract with the Google account authenticated. So yeah, man, you already have your new account. You can edit your profile if you want and begin to share your QR code. That's how easy it is to put your restaurant into AptoTip. Same process applies for creators too. Aptos Showcase Restaurant is ready to start receiving payments for its services. You can customize suggested amounts, play with this however you want. Let me be the first person to reward Aptos Showcase Restaurant with some amount. So $5 is a decent amount. Note, this is trying to use my Google account that is authenticated with this. So send tip and confirm transaction. And see, our transaction is successful. We can also verify that the Explorer. Look at the time, the transaction is also successful. So yeah, you should come to apto-tip.vassel.app. Let me know what you think, because I'll be adding a lot of amazing features very soon. Yeah, see you later. My name is Blockchain Oracle. Stay decentralized, stay creative, reinventing the internet.